If Google Chrome keeps running in the background after you close it, you can turn that off in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to reduce background activity, save system resources, and make sure Chrome fully closes when you're done using it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to Chrome's main settings and tools. From here, click Settings. That will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to performance and system behavior. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Click System. This section contains options related to how Chrome runs on your device, including background behavior. Now, locate the setting that says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. By default, this option may be turned on, which means Chrome can still keep some processes active even after you exit the browser. To stop that from happening, simply toggle the switch to off. Once it's off, Chrome will no longer continue running background apps after you close it. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Google Chrome from running in the background. This can help Chrome close more fully, reduce unnecessary background usage, and give you a little more control over your computer's performance. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.